Hey guys, welcome back. So there's a link in the video description below to the website where you can see prices and options. I just redid the webpage for the light kits, for the ring kits. They give a lot more options in controllers, options in the rings, options in the remote cutoff switch that I now have, that we've been making. So check that out. I really appreciate it. This is obviously a level 6 kit that's getting ready to go out first of next week. I've got another one I got to do over the weekend, along with a full workup on a slingshot. And then I think Sunday, Keith is bringing me a slingshot from a couple hours east of here. And so we're going to build kits for that and tackle the install on that, so stay tuned. But if you're looking for a kit, you're looking for good pricing, you're looking for excellent quality, lifetime warranty on the lights, hit me up, let me know. I promise you I can get you a better deal than anybody else out there. So thanks for watching, and see you guys on the next video.